So here is how to create a server link in repo without adding people. First, you'll need to host a game and then wait for it to load. Now in the lobby, you'll simply press the invite button here and it should open your Steam overlay. Now you need to click on friends and then simply invite anyone to play and then click on your profile. And then in here you will see a join game button. You simply need to right click on it and then copy link address. Now you will need to close all of this and go somewhere else. For example, I can paste it in a notepad like this and then simply copy this link from here and send it to your friend or send it on a Discord server. And now to use this link, you will simply need to open your browser and then simply your friend should paste the link in here and press enter, and it will be prompted with this dialog. You will need to open link, press open link, and that should launch Steam and launch the game. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.